No!
That's what you get.
Who? Wait, are you talking?
Dadoy, I knew you were dumb, but not this dumb.
Okay, it's obvious that I'm still dreaming.
Are you though?
Yes, I am. Now, here's what's gonna happen. I'm going back to sleep and you can, like, I don't know, do whatever alarm clocks do.
All right, you asked for it.
Oh my, what are you doing?
What you asked. I'm doing what alarm clocks do.
Well, I didn't expect that.
So you expected me to what? Bark? Do you know why you set me up in the first place? To get up. And what have you done? Not get up, that's for sure.
Look, I didn't ask for any sleep shaming, so I'm going to bed. Bye.
I didn't want it to have to come to this.
Come to what? Alarm clock, what did you...
Okay, look. Look.
Okay, I'm getting out of the bed, okay? That's what you wanted, right? Okay, look, I can start getting up when you want me to. I can just put the knife down, okay? Just put the knife down, please. That's it. Now, just step away from the knife.
You're trying to unplug me?
No, I would never.
You liar!
I have fulfilled my life purpose. That you have, my friend. That you have. Well, that was weird. I think I'm gonna go to sleep or something.